She never looked back from that point onward, and when she first time started learning music, and from that point, she had never seen back towards her problem, towards her deafness. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra. Orchestra meaning is group of musician. Even she had went to United Kingdom with the other group of musicians, and by the time she was 16 she had decided to make music her life. And when she became 16 years old, then she decided that she would make her future in the music. She would learn musical instrument. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music, and then she gave the audition for the Music Academy of London and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the academy. And then she had created the history in the academy by getting the highest marks in the academy. She gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performances. Gradually meaning is slowly, and as the time passed, firstly she had started performing with the musical group. Then she started giving solo performances. Solo meaning is alone performances. She started participating in the concerts alone. At the end of her 3-year course, and in the course of 3 years training, she had captured most of the top awards, and even she had received many top awards of the nation. And for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. But during these achievements, she had never felt proud. And she said when someone would ask about her achievement, then she would say, if you work hard and know where you are going, means if you work hard and you have your aim, you have your goal, then you will get there. You will surely reach to the goal. And she got right to the top. And in this way, by working hard, by doing hard work, she reached at the top, the world's most sought after multi-percussionist, and she became the most sought after meaning is most demanding multi-percussionist, that is the musician who could play multiple musical instrument with a mastery of some thousands instrument. And she had learnt near about thousands of musical instruments and hectic international schedule. And she had a very busy, hectic meaning is busy, international schedule means she had not only performed in her own country, but she had performed out of her own country. It is intriguing meaning is interesting to watch Evelyn function. And even who had attended her function, the person was saying that it was interesting to watch Evelyn performances so effortlessly, because she was performing very effortlessly without hearing. Even she has a problem of hearing, but then also she was performing without any efforts, without any facing problems. In our 2 hours discussion, she never missed a word. And even who had taken her interview, the person had said that even he had interviewed her for the 2 hours, but then also she had never missed a word, means she had given every answers of the questions asked by the person. Men with bushy beard give me trouble. She laughed, means she said that the person who had a bushy beard meaning is thick beard or the thick chin hair and moustaches, those persons are giving trouble to Evelyn. And why she said these words? It is not just watching the lips, because she was reading the lips of the person when they are speaking, and she was understanding what they are speaking. So she said it was not just watching the lips, it's the whole face, especially the eyes. She has to understand the person's words, she has to see the whole face of the person, and she had to see the expressions of the person. She speaks flawlessly meaning is without any mistake, with the Scottish lilt. And when she speaks any word, then there was the touch of a Scottish accent, means she was speaking by using the language of, or the way of in the Scottish language. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11. And she said that she is able to speak properly because up to 11 years she could able to she was able to hear. Either her deafness was decreasing up to the 11 year, but she then also she could listen slow, she says. But that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. Means after 11 years she became proper deaf child, but then also she had managed to learn French and Japanese language, basic Japanese language. As for music, she explained, and if we would ask about the music from her, then she said, it pours. Pours meaning is flow in through every part of my body. That music flows in the parts of her body. It tingles. Tingles meaning is produce vibration, produce sensations in the skin. That she could feel the music through the skin, through her cheekbones, and even in her hair. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. As the xylophone is played by the sticks, then she said that when she plays xylophone, then the sound passed through the stick and it reached to her fingertips, and she could listen, she could feel the vibrations on her fingertips. By leaning against the drum, she can feel the resonance flowing into her body, and if she wanted to hear or feel the drum sound, then she would lean on the drum and then she could feel the sounds flowing into her body, that vibrations were going to her body on a wooden platform. And if she would be standing at a wooden platform, then she would remove her shoes so that the vibration could pass through her bare feet and upper legs, that through the feet the vibrations would move to her legs. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights meaning is make happy her audiences. She had made her audiences happy every time. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award, and in 1991 there was one organization, that is Royal Philharmonic Society, who had given the famous Soloist Award of the Year to Evelyn, says master percussionist and one master who was a who could play multiple instrument, whose name was James Blade. He said, God may have taken her hearing, means God has taken her hearing power, but he has given her back something extraordinary. But God had returned her something great in her life. What we hear, she feels, and what things we are hearing through ears, she could feel those things far more deeply, and she could understand those things deeper than us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully, and it is the reason that she had expressed the music very beautifully. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Then she had accepted that she is a hardworking person. She is a workaholic person, that she had the great desire to do work. I have just go to work, and she is always busy in her work, often harder than the classical musician. Even she said that she had done hard work more than that of the classical musicians, but the rewards are enormous. Due to her hard work, she had got the great rewards, great achievements. Apart from the regular concerts, apart from the regular functions where she had to perform, Evelyn also gave free concerts in the prison. Even she had performed in the prisons and hospitals where she was not getting any money, means she had performed free of cost in those places. She also gave high priority to classes for young musician, and she even started teaching to the young musician, and she gave high importance to these classes. Anne Richlin, who was a person or who was a member of Beethoven Fund for deaf children. Beethoven Fund is one organization who was arranging the fund for the deaf children so that they could help them, and the member was Anne Richlin. He said she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. She is an inspiration for these kinds of children, and they see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. And by seeing Evelyn's achievements, they found that, or they become to know that there is no any place that where they cannot go, or there is no anything which is impossible for them to achieve. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished meaning is achieved more than most people twice of her age. The people who were equal to her age, she had achieved more than those people. Even she had achieved double than those people. She has brought precaution to the front of orchestra. She had taken the playing of multiple musical instruments at the front of orchestra means she became the head of the orchestra musical group and demonstrated that it can be very moving, that it can be, or it is a lifelong learning process means there is no any pause in learning the musical instrument. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped. Even she was a inspiration for the people who has any kind of disability, people who look to her and say if she can do it, means the handicapped people or the even any people who had listened Evelyn's music or who had know about Evelyn's achievements, they are saying that if she can do it then I can also. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to million, and even she has given to the happiness to many people, million people all around the world.